Hello everyone. Today I'm here to show you the absolute GOAT of all encoding languages in Pheonix Studios. This language is capable of encoding every single letter on the keyboard, every single character from symbols, numbers to capital letters to lowercase letters. Every single letter. Okay? Understand this. This language is called Hypespace. This is developed by me. Okay, look at how to do it. First, we run the file hash decoder. Then we put the operation, which is encode. Then it asks for the message. I have already have a message and it has every single thing. If you want to read it, you can read it. This message has everything. Okay, let's continue now. So, now after entering, now we have to put the type in to Hypespace and put the component type to Pheonix Studios. Voila! Here comes the new encoded message. Now we'll copy this. Now we'll clear the screen up, run it again, and now let's do decode. The message we paste, then type I don't have it, so let's just enter, and here we got the exact same message. If you want to test it out, you can test it out yourself. Just look at the messages, you can compare them. This is the exact message. Now, my friends, I would love comments from you guys, and this is a short showcase, and like, subscribe, bye.